Alright, so I've got a request to do a video of my Genie Accelerator garage door opener. So this here is by request. So I'm gonna show you garage door opener. And over there, this one was added on here for that. And there you go. You see the garage door shutting. There is a button right here. I'm not going to go all the way up there and try to press that. I'm too lazy to go there. And also there's a keypad, and this was put up in 2017. Note that this originally used to be up here. This was the Genie Intellicode one. So I'm not sure if you guys can see it or not. Model ISL 950A, but due to the remote being stolen, it had to be replaced with this. So yeah, and there you go. That's all I have for the Genie Accelerator or garage door opener. Note that these metal parts are used to stiffen up the joist because you have to notch it out because it's not low enough to stay, unlike this one over there.